Hello everyone and good morning from Croatia. Well, my name is Lydia if you still don't know me, and I'm the Managing Director of Polaris Universal, and today we will go to EurekaX, which is one of the systems of Polaris Universal. Well, what EurekaX is? Well, EurekaX is our crypto exchange, and we are so excited about, and we are still in pre-launch. And I will go to the page, and in this video I will show you how to register, and I will show you how to do a verification, because if you still don't know, then if you register on our exchange, you will get 300 Eureka coins for free. Just you need to finish verification process. But also if you find any referrals, then you will get 200 Eureka coins per referral. But your referrals need to finish verification process too. So let's go to exchange, and Eureka coin. Just to explain, Eureka coin is our Eureka coin is our coin of Eureka blockchain. And Eureka blockchain will be finished very soon, and you will be able to stake this coin also through your computer. Just you will need to download the software, and you will be able to stake Eureka coins. So if you wonder why you should have Eureka coins, because on our Eureka exchange the fee are paid in Eureka coins. So it's great to have Eureka coins, because the value of Eureka coins will go just higher after we finish all the projects behind and put everything together. So will be really amazing. And our Eureka exchange is actually a little bit different than others, because joining to this exchange and trade through this exchange, you will be actually able, because we will integrate into our exchange multiple order books, so you will be able to trade from our exchange on multiple exchanges. And as it says here, is super fast transactions and high security also, and multiple orders book providing high liquidity, which means what I just said, you will be able to put your orders through other exchanges through our EurekaX. And also you can earn up to 25% of commission, which means that we will be giving 25% commission through 2 levels. And on all the trade fee, your referral actually on all the trades your referral actually done. So it's a really amazing thing, and I think you will like it. And once we finish, because we're still in pre-launch, you will see the benefits of this exchange. And for now it's really great to join and to get some free Eureka coins, and because, as I said, the value of Eureka coins will go just higher when we finish everything behind. So let's go see how to register. Here is very simple, and how to finish the verification process. So just need to click to register. You need to fill your name, your last name, choose the country, put your mobile phone, your email address and password, and make sure the password has 8 characters and 1 uppercase character. So, and just click I agree, and I'm not a robot, and register now. Once you do this, you will get the confirmation mail into your email. Just make sure to check the spam email, because maybe if you didn't get, your email is in spam, which is usually happening. So I will just go now to log in, and I will log in with one account which I make. Just a second. Just just a second, what I'm doing now, I'm not sure. So okay, let's go. And let's see, I'm not a robot, and log in. Select the images with cars. I hate this part, to be honest. Hope system will ask me just once, and it did. Okay, log in. Okay, and here it is. So this is the back office and the dashboard of EurekaX, and what you will find here, and this is dashboard, and you can go to your profile, and you can put your and change your information personal, but make sure when you log in, when you register, make sure you put your right name as the name on your ID, because otherwise verification will not go through, because the name of the account and the name on your ID need to be same. So once you get to this, just go to my profile and click on KSC, and here you will go to verification process. First, you need to choose what document you want to verify your account. You can choose driving license, national ID, and passport. And make sure when you choose this, on all three steps, it needs to be the same document, and also document need to be a valid one. So we will not accept the documents which expired. So let's choose the driving license. Then you need to make an image of your driving license, the front side, which you will upload here, and then you make a picture of back side, and which you will be upload here. And then you need to put a selfie ID proof, which means if you're looking at me now, you will make a picture of yourself, and here you will be holding your ID, password, driving license. So and the document needs to be visible and readable. So just hold it like this, make sure you can see everything on it, and make a picture, and then just upload this picture here and click submit. After you do this, our support will verify your account or not verify your account, depends if you do all three steps okay. And that's it. After your verification finish, you will get 300 Eureka coins. And this will happen for your referrals too. Every time your referrals finish verification process, you will get 200 Eureka coins. So it's very simple. It takes some time, but it's actually really simple. So that's it. And here you will see referrals for now, and you will find your referral link here, and here your referrals will show. So it's very easy, and this is everything what you need to know for now, and while we are still in pre-launch. So I hope this video will help you, and I hope that some things are now looking much easier than they are. So yeah, just join and and enjoy with us. So that's it from me in this video, and as we will be putting more things into exchange, and I will be making more tutorial videos to show you everything about. So this is everything from me for today, and see you in next video. Bye!